The world is full of perplexities and impediments beyond our imagination and understanding. Although science tries to explain the origin of universe and life, it is still baffling to intelligent minds. Tantra is mythological treatise to which I am interested after I found Yantra in my house. Yantra has triangles, squares and circles. Generally Tantra was looked as black magic. Tantra is the combination of mantra and yantra. Human is chemistry and physics. This Tantra has meditative part and machine part. Tantra means liberation. Tantra, been looked as symbols. Human represented by triangle, I deciphered. I have an equation for our replication.
Friends, DNA is in coded format. It can replicate or have billions of copies. In this process, there will be mutation. Mutation can be bad or good. Bad kills the organisms or the species. Good is our luck. And this can happen once in 1,000 years, probably. And during this period, there was a drift of species far and far, so that the species will survive, will have now a lot of energy and reproduce. And as the species improved, the brain also improved, and along with that, intelligence. During this time, there was transfer of technology. Just like the corporates today takes away the startup groups, and here there is competition and comprehension, and it is against money. Earlier it was not. There was a transfer of technology, or which I call it as Tantra, without our comprehension and competence as we are today. This I call the Tantra or the technology. So what that would have happened earlier.
Creator expects in this way to admire him. This is my thought. Mithuna, I have narrated in my own way so as to relate to mechanics for our affordances. Tantra is also a yoga dashana. In future our existence depends on AI, general human intelligence. Whether they hate or love us depends on how we program. Mind is the lethal weapon which could be neutralized by love and compassion. AI runs by ions, if they too run by molecules, hate vanishes, love remains. My point is life as mechanics or technology, how effectively we can use instruments in the space, machine and mind that bring harmony, love, compassion and universal brotherhood in future.
Hello friends, I am sure all of you want to know what my book contains or the essence of my book. Before I go to the essence, I would like to tell something. People author books. Why they do that? Book never dies, whereas the speech, it dies in the thin air. whatever they write, it is more of a complex in nature. And at any time, anybody can scan and try to know the intention of the writer, what he wants to tell. And for that, to know the philosophy, one should be philosophical. Somebody said it is unusual mind. And after having said this, so let me go into the gist of my book. Tantra, I borrowed it from the scripture, and I got fascinated because of the symbols. Tantra has two paths. So one is dark path and another one is light path. Forget about the dark path. So that is the left side of the tantric path. It has die-hard rituals and rigid rhymes. I'm not bothered about that. And when I talk about light path, there are two things. So one is knowledge path and another one is meditative path. Meditative path is for the mind, and knowledge path is for the technology. Tantra actually means the technology, nothing else. And here I have created a space for two things. One is for objective and another one is for a space which we can only feel. See, that is cognitive instruments and another one is mechanical instruments. And this is for not, as a psychiatrist, not for me and for the others, especially for the scientists, for the philosophers or whoever it may be. And for them to use this space to pass on good. And especially being a psychiatrist, so I am trying to convey the cognitive instruments, how it can be effectively used to bring the universal brotherhood or universal law. Just like Kuvempu, whose concept is Vishwamanava, even though, so we all know that the borders are existing and it is impossible to have that concept. And my cover page is dark, and to tell you frankly, that is a future energy. Future energy is from the dark matter, friends. See, for that reason, and I have a dog with a technological figure in the center.